After flying to Cusco from Cartagena, Colombia, we spent 2 days taking it slow acclimatizing to the altitude. Took plenty of rest, walked around the historic town, visited the markets, had unlimited churros and coca tea. Today's episode is from our third day in Cusco and आज हमने एक city tour book किया है. But before diving into the video, welcome to the Exploring Eyes. Arka and I went to our annual trip to NYC and a few Latin countries in November 2024 and have been sharing our experiences from the same. Do check out the other videos on our channel for the itinerary we are following. Now coming back to this episode, आज है day 3 in Cusco and we plan to explore the city's Incan heritage. So without further ado, let's go. हेलो फ्रॉम कुस्को अगेन. इट्स डे 3 और हम रेडी हो चुके हैं. इट्स अबाउट टाइम. आफ्टर अराइविंग टू कुस्को फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन द 3 days, हमारा फर्स्ट टूर बुकड है. दिस इज़ वन टूर दैट वी हैव टेकन फ्रॉम गेट योर गाइड अराउंड द कुस्को. जो इनका रूइंस हैं या अदर फेमस प्लेसेस हैं, कुछ उन प्लेसेस में ये टूर हमें लेके जाएगा एंड वील बी गोइंग टू दीज प्लेसेस. फर्स्ट 2 days we were resting and taking it slow and acclimatizing. Today we have opted for a tour before we go out for Aguas Calientes tomorrow, that is for Machu Picchu. So ये third day in Cusco है. We will have a guided tour of the Inca capital of Cusco. So let's go.
Finally, we have reached the pickup point, waiting for our tour guides to come and pick us up. I think it's a 5 minutes walk from our hotel. It's a nice downhill walk. We just called them, so they said they are coming in 2 minutes.
So we booked this tour from Get Your Guide. It was a half-day tour starting from the main square of Cusco, covering 5 of the most important visited Incan ruins around the city. Please note that while the tour includes the minivan transfers across these sites, it does not include meals, tips and entry fees to some of these places. So that's our guide. He is helping us taking the tickets. City tour में हमारा first stop था कोरिकांचा. It was one of the most important temple in the Inca Empire, dedicated to the sun god. Located right in the city center, it was the religious and political center of the empire. The temple's walls were once covered in sheets of gold, and its courtyards were filled with golden statues symbolizing the Incas' deep reverence for the sun. When the Spanish conquered Cusco in the 16th century, they looted Coricancha and built the church of San Domenico on its foundations. Despite this, the Inca stonework remains, showcasing their advanced masonry techniques and precisely cut stones that fit together without mortar. Today, Coricancha stands as a powerful blend of Inca and colonial architecture, offering visitors a glimpse into the grandeur of the Inca civilization. The guide takes you around the temple और हिस्ट्री समझाते हैं. कोलोनियल आर्किटेक्चर के प्रेजेंस के साथ साथ यहाँ पे कुछ इनका रूइंस भी है जो कि एज इट इज़ इनका के ज़माने से रखा हुआ है. सो द ब्लेंड ऑफ बोथ स्पेनिश एंड द इनकन रूइंस इज़ very fascinating over here. So we are now standing at Coricancha. It is one of the Incan sites, but यहाँ पे ये आर्किटेक्चर जो आपको दिखेगा ये बेसिकली colonial times का है, and colonial times means Spanish architecture. But there are original Inca ruins here. If you see this, so this is this building that you see, this is an Incan ruin. So जो हमारी गाइड ने बताया, काफ़ी कुछ बताया. जस्ट अगर मैं बताऊं तो Incans were spread all across South America, not just Peru, obviously. Spaniards came and they invaded Cusco and took over Cusco. And obviously तब के architectures हैं ये जो उन्होंने build किए हैं. This is how it looks. We are done with our Coricancha tour and now we're going to the next. So we have now reached the archaeological site of Sacsayhuaman.
What was this place?
This is the area, a vast
thank
area.
you. Gracias.
Now, this is a very interesting place. It's an ancient stone fortress built by the Incas and thoda outskirts of Cusco pe hai. It has huge stone walls made of massive rocks that fit together perfectly without any cement. Some of these stones are so big that it's a mystery how the Incas moved them. The site was likely used for defense, ceremonies, and important gatherings. It's really one of a kind ruin of the Incan civilization. सो अभी तक तो हमारी गाइड हमें सैक्सोमन के बारे में बता रही थी. सो इट्स बेसिकली देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ हिस्ट्री दैट्स अराउंड्स कुस्को, which is a very beautiful part of it. So we're moving around now on our own. We have half an hour. So अभी हम एक व्यू पॉइंट पे आए थे. Now we're going down doors and all जो है इनके इनकन ruins के उसके photos and videos लेंगे.
Yeah, it's one of the holy sites of Cusco. So that they call Waka, W-A-Q-A, I think. So,
Yeah, one of the wakas, one of the most important wakas, I suppose.
yeah.
नेक्स्ट अप क्वेंको. क्वेचा लैंग्वेज जो कि इनकन्स का नेटिव लैंग्वेज है, उसमें क्वेंको मीन्स zigzag, which refers to the carved channels and passageways found in the rock. So ये जो एरिया है, it was likely a sacred site used for religious ceremonies. The Incas carved tunnels, altars and stone structures into the natural rock, possibly for sacrifices or rituals honoring the sun, moon and nature spirits. Although smaller than other Inca sites, Cuenco is an important example of their spiritual and engineering skills. तो अभी तक हम लोगों ने 3 इनकन ruins देखा. पहला कोरिकांचा, उसके बाद सैक्सोवुमन एंड थर्डली क्वेंको. तीनों का कहीं ना कहीं रिलीजियस इंपॉर्टेंस रहा है. Now this fourth Incan ruin has more of a military importance. Puka Pukara is again an ancient Inca site and Quechua language में इसका मतलब होता है red fortress because the stones turn reddish at sunset. It was likely a military outpost or a resting place for Inca messengers and travelers. The site has walls, terraces and small rooms suggesting it was used for defense, storage and shelter. It was strategically built on a hill, giving it a great vantage point over the surrounding valleys and roads leading to Cusco. पुका पुकारा से ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है तंबो मचाई, जो कि हमारा आखिरी इनकन ruin site है. It's also known as the Baths of the Inca. It features beautifully carved stone structures and a complex system of canals and fountains that still flow with fresh water today. This site was likely used for ceremonial purposes, possibly as a place for the Inca ruler to cleanse and worship water, which was considered sacred. peaceful setting surrounded by hills add to its mystical feel. Without any technology जो आज हमारे पास है, they built amazing cities like Machu Picchu, created strong stone buildings without cement, and had roads stretching thousands of miles. They didn't have writing, but used knotted ropes to keep records. Instead of horses or wheels, they had runners who carried messages across the empire. They were masters of farming on mountains, growing crops like potatoes and corn on terraces carved into the hills. I can't help but think what an incredible civilization this must have been. I feel glad that I got to walk the Inca ruins, which once was a part of the mighty Inca Empire. This is the Exploring Eyes signing off from Cusco Day 3. हम आपसे मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में जहां Incan admiration is going to be at its peak from Machu Picchu. तब तक के लिए stay happy, stay wise, stay kind.